YouTube? It's your girl Shayla, and here I'm with an eyebrow tutorial. Why I always say I'm here with? I'm not here with anybody. I'm here to show y'all how to get these eyebrows. And my hair needs to stay back there. I'm gonna show y'all how to get these eyebrows. These are the eyebrows I do only for this hair. Like, I never really do my eyebrows. I just keep them natural. But if you want to know how to do your eyebrows, then you came to the right place, because I'm not no expert. I barely do makeup. So if I can do it, then you could do it. And it doesn't matter if you have red hair, blonde hair, black hair, whatever eyebrow pencil you use to match your hair color. It's the same method. You can watch me do it, and then you can do it too. So if y'all want to see how I got these eyebrows, then continue watching, and I'll see you guys at the next video.
Cash flow. How you buying it
Okay, guys, what I do first is, oh my god, look, my eyebrows are already out of place. Okay, so I'm gonna put my hair back so you guys can see my eyebrows. I should tuck this behind the ear or something. I should have like a little ponytail holder or something. Okay, so that's pretty much it. So what I did before I start my eyebrows is, I usually pluck my eyebrows, but I've not been plucking my eyebrows recently. So what I did is, I get this eyebrow razor and I tidy it up around a little bit. I'm not gonna do it now, cause, oh look, I think I missed something. Yeah, I'm not gonna do too much now, cause I be doing it already. I already did it before the video. But that's not the point. So I'm gonna show you how to get the red eyebrows. So what I do is, I really gotta get a rubber band, guys. Hold on, I'll be back. Okay, guys, we back, and I got the hair tied up. So now, what was I saying? So what I usually do is, I take a little, like, I think they're called a spoolie, but I don't have an individual spoolie, so I usually just use this one right here. You see it's kind of red already. This is a spoolie I used on my eyebrows already. I just used this one. Oh, and by the way, this is my e.l.f. eyebrow pencil, which I don't use. I think it's destroyed, actually. Yes, destroyed. So I just keep it for the little spoolie. So what I do is I comb out my eyebrows. So I do not have a red eyebrow pencil, so I'm not saying I don't have a red eyebrow pencil as in, like, I didn't buy one, but I don't use a red eyebrow pencil. I use the Perfect Precision lip liner by, what is this? RK by Kiss. And I'm pretty sure RK stands for Ruby Kisses, in the color Crimson. It's a lip pencil. And it costs $1. Like, it costs $1 at the beauty supply store. So that's why you got it, you know. And Crimson, this is like the perfect color. I almost got the wrong color. I almost got like an orangey red color. But I'm glad I went back and looked. So this is what you're going to do first. You're going to start by outlining your eyebrows. Oh my goodness. I hope I can do this on camera. I hope I can do this on camera. It's going to look better when I finish, I promise. Okay. Outline the eyebrow. Okay. I've done this quite a few times, so even though it looked like I'm not doing that well of a job, it's gonna come together. So I start from right here, like where the eyebrow begins, but at the top I don't start from where the eyebrow begins, because you see my hair is moving in a different direction. So I start like right here, and then I do the same thing. Trace it. Okay. Boom, connect like that. Okay, and then what I do is I fill it in like this. So when it comes to this part right here, I just do like a upward motion like this. Do it like this. I don't want nothing to be too boxy. So I do an upward motion like this. And then I take the spoolie. Yeah, okay, wait. Okay, hold on, guys. Then I take the spoolie and I kind of like drag it up like this. It kind of fades it out. Like, it makes it look not so harsh in the beginning. Like, I don't know if y'all see that. It kind of looks a hot mess right now, but don't worry, guys. It's going to come together like it is. Don't worry. Don't worry. I know it's looking a little crazy right now, but everything is going to be fixed. I promise you guys, if I had a mirror, I would not be doing this reckless of a job. So don't judge me. This is not my first time doing this. I know it looks like it is, but it's not. I just can't see that well on this camera. Okay, so that's what I do. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the next eyebrow. I'm gonna clean this up, guys. Don't worry about it. Hey, long as you got the fill in right, okay? So now, next thing your girl's gonna do is I'm gonna take my concealer. I have this concealer by Profusion. I brought this while I was in Connecticut. It just looks like this. It's a mess on the other side. Don't look. It's a whole bunch of concealer colors, and it was a little mirror right here and some brushes. So actually, I'm gonna use this mirror to put the concealer on because this camera's not doing so good. So I don't want to mess up. I really want to show you guys how I do my eyebrows. So I'm gonna be looking down here and doing it. So y'all gonna still be able to see what I'm doing though. So okay, what I'm gonna do is take this angled brush. Oh, my hand's red. Look, red all over my hand. This angled brush. It's not really that thin. It's my mom's. I don't have an angled brush, so I'm taking this angled brush and I'm gonna use this color right here. As you can see, I used a lot of this color already. Like, you see how you can see it coming through. But I use that color because it's closer to my skin, I feel like. So I don't really use too light of a color. I don't try to anyways, because I don't really like it to be bright, 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 standing out. But so, because we keep getting interrupted, do it like this. Okay, see that? Okay, so now I'm gonna look and do it here. So I didn't do that bad. Okay, so I'm gonna do it like this. Start from the bottom. I wish I had like a LA Girl Pro concealer. I think that's what it's called. Like the one you just brush on. I'm not really big on makeup, so I don't have a whole bunch of stuff. So, but I plan on getting some stuff. Okay. So like that. That's what I do for first one. So I'm gonna dip my brush back a little more, get a little more. And then I'm gonna do this side. So see where I messed up, guys? Like, you see how it was too thick? So what I do is I go like this. I connect it so I know like where they're even at. So that would be like where they're even. Now that we did the top part, I'm gonna do the bottom part. Don't judge me because I never said I was a professional makeup artist or something. I'm just showing y'all how I get my red eyebrows. Do the same thing on top. I'm gonna take a little napkin or whatever, or if you got makeup remover, whatever. Clean your brush off. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna clean my brush off. Because now I'm gonna try to blend this out. And I don't want to be spreading more product in areas I don't want to be in. So it's not supposed to be there. So I'm gonna clean this out real quick. Okay. So now I'm gonna go back and look in the mirror again. See. Oh, look, you can see me. Hey. Okay, so now I'm just gonna lift my eyebrows up like this, and I'm gonna blend down. Now we're about to go into the top and blend the top. So, okay. I blend it the same way, but instead of going down, I blend it up. Okay. See how it's kind of looking thicker now? So now I got to go back in with the concealer and fix that up too. Okay, so now blending again, reblending it. So now what I'm doing, I'm just like trying to clean up the lines. Like I'm just trying to make the edges nice and slick, duh. Alright, so pretty much I'm done. You guys see that? See that? See that? Alright. Take my spoolie one more time. Just brush in the right direction. My hair is all over the place. Right direction. Yeah. That's really it, guys. See? It's not really much to it. Like, it was really that simple. Like, I know it kind of took a long time because, you know, girl Lil be doing a little slow sometimes. But this is literally it, guys. This is it. This is it. But, anyways, guys. Wait, let me take my hair out so y'all can see. Because, you know, I gotta be cute. Duh. Where's my comb? We cute. Let me stop playing, guys. But anyways, guys, that was how I do my red eyebrows. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Give it a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe to this channel, because I got a lot more videos coming for you guys. And yeah, thank y'all for watching. My shirt is so distracting, guys, right? Anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.